Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sharbi token. Now the Sharbi token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Sharbi token. So ticker symbol Sharbi, name of the token is Sharbi. Just got listed on CoinGecko. It actually says it's up 30.4% today, doing very well. There is a warning here at the top of the CoinGecko page, though, that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting it. Now, when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when it has a warning like that. So thoroughly investigate this token and do your own research before getting it. Now, Sharbi.net is their official webpage. They do have an RB scan listed here on CoinGecko CoinGecko as well. You can check out their block explorer on here. They have the price chart, contract address. Twitter is on here. Telegram is on here. So it says here that this token is available on SushiSwap. We're going to go over exactly how to get it off SushiSwap here in a second. So yeah, you could view all the price chart, contract address, everything is on CoinGecko. Now, their Twitter has 2,355 followers, and they just joined in January 2023, so they're doing pretty well here. It is at Sharbi token, and they're very active on Twitter as well. 211 tweets so far. It says, Sharbi is the high-class mistress of Shiba. We are a community-owned Arbitrum token that rewards holders in USDC. So that's interesting. You get USDC rewards for holding this token. Now, obviously, because this is the mistress here, they were just talking about Valentine's Day a whole lot on their web or on their Twitter here. And besides that, they are listed on DEX Tools as well. There is a DEX Tools chart on here as well. You can see it on there. Now, besides that, their Telegram has 480 subscribers. You can view their Telegram channel at Sharbi Portal. Their official webpage did not open in Chrome for me for some reason, but it does work in Microsoft Edge. So they do have the contract address available right at the top of their webpage, Sharbi.net. It has a link to Get Sharbi. If you just click on that on their webpage, that will take you right over to SushiSwap. It says app.sushi.com. It'll take you over there. And it says the first Shiba member to join Arbitrum. Sharbi is the mistress of Shiba. I believe I have seen Shiba on Arbitrum before, but anyways. Sharbi is a community-owned Arbitrum token that will reward its holders with USDC on every transaction. There are no team tokens, no private sale or pre-sale, no marketing or dev taxes, etc. The team behind Sharbi were top wallets of SafeMoon, Baby Dogecoin, and Shiba. The longevity and funding of this project comes purely from the team. So, it says there's a buy and sell tax of 5%, 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 1 trillion tokens, and there is a 2% max wallet, which is 20 billion tokens. So that's the tokenomics there. It doesn't tell you what the tax is for, though, but it does say you do get reflections in USDC, but I wish they explained how much on their page here. So how do you buy this token anyway? So step 1, buy Ethereum from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, etc. Number 2, install a wallet such as MetaMask and add the Arbitrum One network. Send Ethereum to your wallet address via Arbitrum network. Connect the wallet to SushiSwap V1 and paste the contract address. And use 5% or higher slippage to purchase Sharbi tokens. And number 6, it says HODL. So that is how you would get the token. Now they do have a roadmap available on their webpage here. It says Q1 2023, they started with the website dApp creation, social creations, fair launch on Arbitrum Ethereum network, rewards dApp fully integrated, phase Q2 2023, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings, audit and staking implementation, partnerships and press release, reach 50 million market cap and 2,000 holders. And Q3 2023, multi-chain releases, game development, central exchange listings, reach 10 million market cap and 5,000 holders. Then in Q4 2023, it says top 5 Tier 1 central exchange listings, blockchain development, worldwide community growth, reach 20 million market cap and 10,000 holders. So it says, if you have any questions, come hang out with us on Telegram, where the team and our lovely community can help you find answers. If you already have ETH in your wallet on the Ethereum main network, you can use the link to bridge it to Sharbi. They have a 5-second video for some reason on their webpage that you could view if you like. I don't see a full white paper or anything like that, so just be aware of that. I don't see like a full audit or anything like that. And yeah, KYC, I don't see that as well. So it says, congratulations to the community, to the members and the holders. Sharbi in less than 20 days had distributed $20,000 in USDC rewards. With every passing day, Sharbi is getting stronger and stronger. And they show their total distributed USD rewards. And so they have these posts on their Twitter all the time that you could check out. So Twitter seems to be the best thing to follow for updates and how the token's doing. Maybe they have more information on their Twitter than their webpage, because their webpage is, kind of small. But yeah, just be aware that I don't see all those security measures in place like audit, KYC, Seifu badge, all that type of stuff. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.